Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina and welcome to Naturally Corporate. So I normally do twist outs. They just tend to work very well and give me the desired look for my fine natural hair, and my product of choice is Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. That product is my everything. It keeps my twist out moisturized for days, yet it gives me a very light hold. It smells fantastic. I don't have to use a leave-in or a gel. One product, and I just love it. So I figured if that product from the brand is amazing, then some of the other products have to be amazing too. And I caught a sale at Sally, buy one get one 50% off, a couple of weeks ago, and I purchased the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk and the Curl Maker. Now, this is my first time using these products. I don't go through products like that because my fine hair just doesn't require a lot of product. So I see so many other influencers trying all these fantastic brands and stylers and creams and gels, and one day I'll get to them. It's just that I use the products that I have. If they work for me, I use them until I use them up, and then I'll move on to the next products. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I've got these two products and I'm going to try them on a wash and go today to see how this combo fares in comparison to my Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. So come along with me and let's see how it goes. All right, so I am sectioning my hair and I just applied the Curl Love Moisture Milk and make sure my hair was nice and wet. Product does better in my hair when it is wet. And I'm following up with the moisture milk with the Curl Maker gel, and I've never used gel on my twist outs, so this will be interesting. So I'm just kind of playing with the amount that I apply because I've never used this combo before and I don't quite know how it's going to work out, but I'm excited about it. Like I said, Camille Rose Naturals really, it just made me love twist outs even more because I get shine, I get moisture, and I get a long-lasting style. So all of those things combined make me happy. I have such high hopes for this product combination, but it's really throwing me off because the Curl Love Moisture Milk is thick, but it's not as thick as the Almond Joy Twisting Butter. And then I'm using the gel, which I don't normally use gels for my twist outs. And the gel is very light and it does have a lot of slip. So that part I think I like because slippery products tend to do well on my hair. And I think, I don't know, I think maybe because my hair is fine. So those type of products just work for me. But I hope I'm not disappointed. And I love twist outs because, as I mentioned in my hair growth over 40 video, that doing twist outs back to back to back over a period of time, say 2 months maybe, I got the most length retention during that time. And I know for a fact that it was because my hair was just getting continuous moisture every time I shampooed and deep conditioned and then put in all my great, well, the only product that I was using was the Camille Rose Naturals. So that just kind of proved to me that the Almond Joy Twisting Butter is, it has all of the ingredients to give me the moisture I need and the nourishment that I need just to help my hair grow and to thrive. So I just love Twistouts. They're easy, they're convenient, and I tried I tried a wash and go a few weeks ago, and it was great, but I'm back to my twist out again. And you know what I think I might do? If this works out, if these products work out for me, maybe I'll try a wash and go with this combo. We'll see. For about 30 minutes, and then I just let the rest of it kind of air dry overnight. So here we go, and I'm about to take these bad boys down. And like I said, my hopes for these two products are so high. I just feel like hardly anything can compare to the Almond Joy twisting butter. So these two products have big styling shoes to fill. I can already tell that my hair doesn't have the normal hold that it does with the Almond Joy twisting butter, but that's okay. It's very soft. It's very soft, but and very light, which is how I like my hair to be. And when you have fine hair, the lighter and fluffier you can get your hair to turn out, the better. Because when it's weighed down, it just looks flat and has no movement. So I like the fluff and the lightness of it, airiness. My definition is definitely not the same as when I use the Almond Joy twisting butter. Alright, so here's what my hair is looking like before any manipulating or fluffing or anything like that. It's pretty cute as it is, but I am going to fluff it up a little, zhuzh it up. But here's what it looks like fresh out of the takedown. And I know I'm very late to the party, but look what I got, extreme wet line. So I already told you I don't go through products like that. So I have a big tub of EcoStyle, the crystal, and I've had it for a good year, if not longer. But I was away for work on a business trip and I needed some gel. I didn't have any, so stopped into Walmart and I got this one for 99 cents. I said, oh, perfect time to try it. So I'm going to use this just to smooth down my sides. Wow, so there's not even anything for me to, normally with my twist outs, I'll go through and separate them like one time, but I don't even need to do that. My hair is extremely light and very fluffy, and that I love. So I think this is it. I'm just zhuzhing my roots so no parts will show. Fine hair situation for my fellow fine hair sisters out there. When you have fine hair or thinning hair and you have a twist out or a braid out, what you can do just to help the parts not to show, if they're showing, just kind of go in and with the tips of your fingers and zhuzh at the roots. Word of the day is zhuzh. All right, my hair is actually nice and light. There's nothing else for me to do, guys. This is it. This is the result of my two newest products in my collection that will probably last me a few months too. The Camille Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk and the Curl Maker Gel. So I like the style, and not quite up there. I like the results rather. So it's not quite up there with my Almond Joy twisting butter, but I'm glad that I tried these products and I really do like them. My hair feels good and I think it looks pretty good too. All right, so here are the final results of my twist out using the Camille Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk and the Curl Maker Gel. I love the combination, but it still didn't give me the over-the-topness results that I get with the Almond Joy twisting butter. Now, I love this. It still looks good. I really, really, really like it. I think I'm just spoiled by that Almond Joy twisting butter. So it is just my goat. It is my goat, my goat, my goat. But if you've tried this combination, let me know. And if you saw something in my application technique that you would do differently or that you do differently, please let me know. I certainly plan to try the products again. Because I go through products until I use them up and then I'll move on to the next thing. So I certainly plan to do another twist out and, maybe the magic will happen at some point. So thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate you for clicking on this video. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.